Papa Gomo ni.
Ha?
Papa Gomo.
Apa?
Papa Gomo.
Oh, puasa.
Papa Gomo.
Komo?
Tahu?
Jomok tak buat ah?
Dah.
Hi everyone, please help to like and share. Like and share, then I will start with all the kuih. Kuih Hi.
Ini Papa Gomo mesti.
Banyak kuih ada ni. Banyak talam-talam. Help to like and share. Then I will start Ya, tolongkan like and share dulu. Pergi I dalam personal. Hello everyone, help to like and share. Then I will start Ni semua kuih is for $2 korang. For $2. $2. I still got many more to show We start one by one dulu. Okay, I will start with the first item dulu. Pergi add packetnya je live dulu, then baru share. Okay, so this Lopez is 2 pieces for $2.50. 2 pieces for $2.50. Any takers for the Lopez? Next is Nagasari, 2 piece for $2. So lalu for Nagasari and cannot show this during live because always finish before live. Nagasari. Next item, jemput pisang, 3 pieces for $2. Lapis merah putih, 3 pieces for $2. Lapis warna pelangi, 3 pieces for $2. Sis ada bakar pandan? Yes, ada. Muhammad Amiruddin ada 3 pieces for $2. Cuma micro haven't pack. I tunjuk all fresh, baru buat. Ni soto hari ni tak ada. Okay, halfway packing lah. 3 pieces for $2. Okay, fresh, baru buat. Nurul Huda, you nak lapis pelangi? You took the last one lapis pelangi. Thank you. And lapis nyonya. Okay, can. I letak kat sini. Okay, I dah letak for you Kakak Nurul Huda. Okay. Hi sis, can self-collect? Yes, boleh. Self-collection is at our shop at Tai Seng. You can just Google map us at Packager, then you can actually get the full directions. Okay. Self-collection is until 4:30, max until before 5. Max before 5. Okay. So this is just baru bake bakar pandan bijan. 3 pieces for $2. I repeat all the items Ada Lopez, 2 pieces for $2.50. Lapis kacang hijau or nyonya, 3 pieces for $2. Lapis merah putih, 3 pieces for $2. Jemput pisang, 3 pieces for $2. Nagasari, very rare Nagasari ada kat sini, 2 pieces for $2. Talam cendol, 3 pieces for $2. And talam suji. I will show this one first one by one. Okay, I nak bakar pandan 2 paket. Self collect, Fifi? You nak self collect? Can I confirm?
So PM dia ha.
Please PM us your full contact number. Fifi, I will pack for you first, okay? Please PM my admin for all self collection and delivery. Need your contact number. Okay, Muhammad Amiruddin pun nak 2 bakar pandan delivery Toa Payoh berapa?
Dia nak yang tepi.
Siapa?
Yang di asli.
Siapa?
Hakimi.
Ha?
Hakimi.
Hakimi. Okay, boleh. Yang tepi. Boleh. No problem. Badak berendam ada. Sekejap lagi I tunjuk Fifi, you pun nak 1 Nagasari. Kan? Let me write down Talam cendol for Nurul Huda. Tak delivery. Ada. Is at Hougang. Okay, so this one Fifi punya Okay, next person is Muhammad Amiruddin. You nak 2 bakar pandan Siapa yang nak kat tepi? Yang kat tepi kecil sikit I give extra, okay? Those who want tepi will get extra. Okay, Muhammad Amiruddin, I dah pack for you 2 bakar pandan, badak berendah sekejap lagi. Talam cendol dah dapat for Nurul Huda. Yes, is self collect. Fifi self collect Okay. Muhammad Amiruddin. Ada orang beli Muhammad Amiruddin? Lihat. Okay, next person. Talam cendol dah. Yes, self collect. I dah PM you. Yes, self collect. Okay, boleh. Okay, all this kuih dah tunjuk. I show the next one Those who still want the bakar pandan masih ada over here. Okay, talam ubi 3 pieces for $2. Tepung gomak 3 pieces for $2. Talam lepat 3 pieces for $2.
PM
Kole-kole 3 pieces for $2. And last, onde-onde 3 pieces for $2.
Dalam PM dia tak dapat PM.
Ni nama ni. Ni dia cakap dia dah PM.
Dah.
Okay. Muhammad Amiruddin
Ada.
ada history. Cari history dia.
Ada satu keluar.
Okay, any takers for all this kuih? Next item tahu 3 pieces for $2 and dada 3 pieces for $2. Muhammad Amiruddin. Kole-kole. Boleh? Satu Nurul Huda. Okay, you dapat tepung gomak for Muhammad Amiruddin. Okay, dah you dah dapat tepung gomak onde-onde for misi purplish. Okay, boleh. You took the last one. Okay, done. Repeat for those who just came in for the kuih Bakar pandan bijan 3 pieces for $2. You boleh pilih you nak tepi ke tengah. Kole-kole 3 pieces for $2. Salad lepat 3 pieces for $2. Tepung gomak 3 pieces for $2. Talam ubi 3 pieces for $2. Dada 3 pieces for $2. Taco 3 pieces for $2. Lapis merah 3 pieces for $2. Lapis nyonya 3 pieces $2. Naga sari 2 pieces $2. Lopez 2 pieces $2.50. Jemput pisang 3 pieces $2. Talam suji 3 pieces $2. Talam cendol 3 pieces $2. Dada for Missy Purplish. Hi sis, you tak nampak my comment? Pipi. Tadi you ada ambil satu naga sari dengan 2 bakar pandan bijan, correct? Oh, the others I tak nampak I only nampak your comment for naga sari and 2 bakar pandan bijan. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Sis, ada sarang semut? Ada? Berapa sarang semut? $20 for medium size bottle for sarang semut.
Orang Muhammad ni dah kasih kan?
$20 for 1 bottle.
Muhammad ni dah kasih kan?
Tak lah kan?
Missy Purplish. Only I comment.
Before 6 PM
Baik.
Oh, I tak nampak your comment for onde tadi, but I already give to someone. Sorry Fifi. Lopez 2 paket. Can for Missy Purplish?
Kali.
Okay, done. Naga sari 2, Nur Ashikin Zainuddin. Naga sari 2, Dada 1, Lopez 2. Naga sari 2 Naga sari 2, Dada 1, Lopez 2, Naga talam suji 1. Okay, you dapat Nur Ashikin Zainuddin. Self collect or delivery for you? I nak sarang semut kuih bakar $2 and gado-gado. Okay, boleh. Ila Ali You nak tepi atau tengah for the kuih bakar? One plastic. Okay, boleh delivery for Nur Ashikin Nampak dulu. Ila Ali PM us your full delivery address and contact number if it's for delivery. Self collect contact number aja. Okay? Ila Ali, I dah pack all your items Nur Ashikin noted already. Okay, next item Epok sayur 3 pieces for $3. Epok sayur Darina, dia I punya talam ubi tu satu tukar ke talam cendol tu please. Boleh, no problem. Kak, tolong this one first. Darina, talam ubi tukar ke talam cendol. Kan? Boleh. Ila Ali, you nak tambah jemput pisang satu delivery to Choa Chu Kang kan? Boleh, no problem. You just PM us your full delivery address and contact number. My admin will attend to you, okay?
Oh, 45. 45 macam mana tu, Pak?
Jemput pisang. Cari Darina sana. Ila Ali. Ini. Dah keluar queue dah. Kak, mana yang tadi kakak pesan? Dalam mobil doktor. Okey, dan epok-epok sayur 2 paket for Missy Purplish. Okey, boleh? Jana, self collect is kat kedai kita at Tai Seng. You can Google map us at Packet Je. We are registered address under Google. Okay? It's at Tai Seng or else you can actually opt for delivery. We have island-wide delivery. I mean delivery atau pick up mana? Delivery island-wide. For pick up is at Tai Seng. Tai Seng. Okay? Epok sayur 2 for Missy Purplish. Okay. Any more epok-epok sayur? 3 pieces for $3. 3 pieces for $3. Delivery how much?
Apa?
Jana Chips, you boleh PM my admin for your full delivery address. She will actually quote you the delivery charge. She will quote you the delivery charge. Kalau nak, you can just PM, just right over here. Where's your delivery area? InsyaAllah my admin can actually tell me straight away for the delivery charge. Ila Ali, I receive your PM ready. Thank you. Okay, next item. Okay, kita ada mee siam for $5, gado-gado for $5, and laksa for $5. Any takers for the noodles? Okay, next item sekali Okay, suji Arab for $4, jongkong for $4, and som-som datang with the sugar for $4. Tinggi nak. Gado-gado, badak berendam. Badak berendam sold out already. Som-som and jongkong container 2 Fifi? I dah PM. Delivery to Tampines berapa? Tampines? Kejap my admin tengah check. Fifi, badak berendam je you tak dapat Jongkong 2 container Missy Purplish 2 som-som. Yes, angkat. Okay, yang this one gado-gado also 2 packet. Boleh Fifi? Gado-gado 2 packet. Tampines delivery $7. Tampines at 7 This is for Fifi. Okay, done Fifi. I dah ambil all the things for you. Thank you. Delivery to Sengkang berapa?
7.
Sengkang 7. Ada kek sarang semut honeycomb. Sold out already. Someone took the last sarang semut. Honeycomb hari ni today tak ada. Tak ada yang in stock. Yishun delivery 8? 8? Yishun. Yishun hari ni 8 for today aja 8. Kuih lapis Leon, saya nak kuih lapis merah putih. Is it lapis merah putih or lapis nyonya manis? Kuih bakar, kole-kole, putri salad. Okay. Sama pack kole-kole please. Kuih bakar.
Banyak
Kole-kole 3 pieces. Kuih bakar I pack for you Kole-kole
3.
sini. Lapis merah putih. Okay, can Leon delivery Can tambah one more kole-kole? Can? Boleh one more kole-kole? Ni, one more kole-kole abang Karim. For Fifi. Total 2 packet. Yes. Okay. Again I repeat for this kuih Suji Arab for $4, jongkong container for $4 and jongkong daun for $3.50. Okay, got 2 types of jongkong. This one is the putih version. Ni hijau.
Kita ada ayam pecik.
Satu for Leon Jaan, lagi satu is for Fifi. Kole-kole. One is for Fifi, one is for Leon. Okay, next item. Ni will come with the stick but just that we remove the stick for this one. So, bakar ayam pecik 2 pieces for $5, 1 piece for $3. Leon, you tambah Fifi. Tambah dan Zaida 2 jongkong 1 somsom. 2 jongkong. Jongkong container is it for Zaida? Somsom sold out already Somsom sold out already. Jongkong, you nak container atau you nak daun? There's 2 types. 2 types. Okay, I will repeat all the items yang orang yang baru masuk Ayam pecik 2 pieces for $5, 1 piece for $3. Mi siam for $5, gado-gado for $5 and laksa for $5. Jongkong daun $3 kak. 350. Sekarang is lagi besar, so it's 350. Okay, princess 50. Epok-epok sayur 3 pieces for $3. Kuih sekejap lagi And also Zaida, you belum get back about your jongkong. Suji Arab for $4, jongkong container for $4, jongkong daun for $3.50. Zaida, okay boleh. 2 daun 1 container Leon, nak repeat apa you dapat? Boleh sekejap Zaida Syam, you nak delivery or self collect? If delivery, please PM my admin now for your full delivery address and contact number. Yeah. Any more jongkong stickers? Ni make sure dia dah PM. Leon nak repeat apa dia ada. Okay, Leon, I repeat apa you dapat You dapat putri salad 1 packet, lapis merah putih 1 packet, kole-kole 1 packet, and bakar pandan bijan 1 packet. Onde-onde you tak dapat. Mine delivery, ya. Okay, boleh Missy Purplish? Boleh. Zaida, you need to PM us please, so that we can secure your order. Sis, can repeat my order to Fifi. Okay, Fifi, I see your order. You dapat naga sari 1 packet, kole-kole 1 packet, bakar pandan bijan 2 packet. Betul? Okay, I show the kuih balik for those who just came in. Banyak just came in. Suji Arab for $4, jongkong container for $4, jongkong daun for $3.50, ayam percik 2 pieces for $5, 1 piece for $3, laksa for $5, gado-gado for $5, mi siam for $5, epok sayur 3 pieces for $3, kuih ada bakar pandan bijan. This one just bake so packing halfway baru keluar. Okay, bakar pandan bijan 3 pieces for $2, unless you ambil tepi, 4 pieces for $2. Taco 3 pieces for $2. Lapis nyonya manis 3 pieces for $2. Lapis merah 3 pieces for $2. Tepung gomak 3 pieces for $2. Salad lepat 3 pieces for $2. Kole-kole 3 pieces for $2. Talam suji 3 pieces for $2. Jemput pisang 3 pieces for $2. Dada 3 pieces for $2. Talam ubi 3 pieces for $2. And lopes 2 piece for $2.50. Okay, then after that we go next item. That's all I got. Yes, yang tadi I repeat, that's all you got. Epok sardin. Kejap Ila, I check. Epok sardin ada berapa tinggal berapa? Okay. Custard puff ada sis. Today tak ada. Today dah sold out. Oh, that one. That's the kuih Dada. Epok-epok sayur I got total 10 piece. It's mini size, 1 piece for 65 cents. Epok-epok sardin. Dada satu for Leon, sir. Zaida dah PM. Okay. Zaida, I receive your PM ready I ordered banyak jongkong tadi. Som-som gado-gado tak dapat. Fifi tadi ada order gado-gado semua kan? You 2 plastik Fifi. Sekejap Fifi. Ya, you dapat yang kejap I tengok balik Wah, kakak asal 2 plastik. Okay, I repeat balik for Fifi 2 gado-gado, 2 jongkong, 1 som-som, Satu Nagasari, satu kole-kole, 2 bakar bijan. Confirm? Okay, Leon, saya dah dapat yang dada. Epok-epok sardin ada? Yes, ada. One piece for 65 cents. Kau salam Kak Lela. Ayam pecik $20. Saya tulis dulu Kak Lela. Ambil satu paper. Delivery to your house kan, Kak Lela? Bilang ada orang order ayam pecik $20. Kawan anda. Okay, boleh Kak Lela, I already take note of your order for $20. Kuih muih, anyone, siapa yang nak tengok, you inform me. Then I will repeat again. Okay, I tunjuk next item Next item I susun dulu. Okay, next item, nasi ambeng all sold out already We pack a lot already. So on my description box saya ada tag for nasi lemak. Any takers for nasi lemak for today? Tak ada extra. Zaida, you nak 5 epok-epok sardin tuliskan 5 epok-epok sardin. Tuh, kakak tuliskan 5 epok-epok sardin for Zaida. Okay, boleh you dapat ada epok-epok sardin. Okay, Kak Lela noted. Then Ila nak tambah 4 epok-epok sardin. Ila Ali. Yes. Ada ni, ada lagi. Ada lagi. I just tulis on the paper so that we don't forget. Leon's, I don't have any more epok-epok sardin already. Yang dapat Ila Ali 4 pieces and Zaida 5 pieces. Okay. Cheryl, repeat order Ni user tadi dah order. Tengok kan sini. Tak boleh gerak kan? Belum. Okay, I tuliskan For delivery, Cheryl. Okay, I ambilkan your barang Okay, you nak bakar pandan, taco, lapis merah, talam suji you took the last one bakar pandan 4. Jom mari tengok si. Okay, I already pack for you and nasi sambal goreng no more. Nasi sambal goreng also sold out already. Unless you nak nasi lemak. Cheryl Diana Kamilia. Sambal goreng you tak dapat Paus sambal today sold out already. One more plastic. Salam, just masuk. What do you still have? Okay, I tunjuk Aku tunggu sekian lama. Pre-order lah. Leon, you pre-order. InsyaAllah ada. Sheri Diana Kamilia. nasi sambal goreng you tak dapat, my admin nak your full delivery address and contact number. Nak kena kasih sekarang so that we can arrange all the delivery before buka. Okay, Adilah, I tunjuk you tunjuk semua benda Okay, for me masih ada mee siam, gado-gado and laksa for $5. Then for nasi, ada nasi lemak je. All the others already sold out. Kuih masih ada suji Arab and jongkong container for $4, jongkong daun for $3.50. Ayam percik will be on the stick this one for sample purposes. So this one is 2 piece for $5, 1 piece for $3. Epok-epok sayur 3 piece for $3. Tapo 3 piece for $2. Ni semua $2 tu. Lapis nyonya for, ada orang nak beli 20. Lapis nyonya 3 piece. Kole-kole 3 piece. Talam ubi 3 piece. Salad lepat 3 piece. Dada 3 piece. Jemput pisang 3 piece. Tepung gomak 3 piece. Lapis merah putih 3 piece. All this for $2. And also got bakar pandan bijan. It's at the back nak kena pack. And also lopes 2 piece for $2.50. Muhammad Amiruddin, you dah kasih address Dah, Amiruddin. Muhammad Taufik, I baru masuk. Kuih apa ada? I dah tunjuk. Gado-gado 1 for Kak Lela. You took the last gado-gado Kak Lela. Ismail. Okay, next. You still have my address kan? Yes, ada. Sis, talam ubi for me please. Boleh? For Nora. Tu ada tulis nama. Add to others. Yes, boleh. Kuih anymore? Nasi only left nasi lemak.
Diana belum PM
Diana, I need your full address and contact number please. Please private PM us. Ismaila Itin. Yang apa? $20 yang ayam pecik tu. Kak Lela, itu je for makan is it? You ambil cuma ayam pecik and gado-gado. Okay, banyak dah sold out lah. Banyak order nasi ambeng today. So kuih banyak yang selalu ada dah sold out. Only left all this. Sharifah. Okay, Sheril tukar ke nasi lemak order 2 kecil 1 besarnya kotak. I dah tulis. Sambal tak nak campur boleh asingkan. Yes, boleh Sheril Diana. I tulis for you. Sharifah sekejap Sekejap, I tengah tulis for Sheril order. Sambal all we will asingkan for all 3 packets. Okay, Sharifah. You nak 1 laksa, 1 lopis, Satu lopis, jongkong kontainer. Jongkong kontainer. Ayam pecik 2 piece. Epok sayur 1 packet. Epok sayur 1 packet. Kole-kole 1. Kole-kole 1 packet. Jemput pisang. New customer Sharifah. Sharifah. Okay, Sharifah, PM us your full delivery address and contact number. All done Add taco for me, Nora. Boleh? Dah add taco for Nora
Tadi Sharifah.
Ada tambah 2.
Saya pecik dua. Saya pecik dua.
Okay, then any more items that you all nak? Ayam pecik no problem. We can marinate. We already marinate ready. Left to bakar. Nasi lemak, any more takers? I left with 6 more packets of nasi lemak. 6 more packets of nasi lemak. For noodles, tinggal mi siam and laksa aja. Kuih muih ada lopis for 250. Suji Arab for 4. Jongkong container for 4. Jongkong daun is 350. Boleh, dia nak kopi ke? Dah letak. Dan sis, topong goma intinya apa? Kejap inti dia kelapa Donation sini. Donation. Kasih aku semua yang tulis. Topong goma inti dia kelapa Inti kelapa. Misi purplish. Solok. Okay, any takers for the kuih? I masih ada lopis
Ini bukan
Nak kena cap berapa packs? Baca.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ada lemon tea.
Cuba baca. 3 packs, 3 packs, 7 packs.
17 Pak Mokyo, yang 17 Timur.
Okay, any more for kuih?
49.
Masih ada kuih bakar pandan bijan yang fresh. Okay, I nak 1 packet. Boleh, Missy Purplish? Thank you. I'm done. Nanti PM total ya. Yeah, my admin will PM you. Okay? Missy Purplish kak. Address tengok kat bawah tu. Tu ada tulis Clementi.
Oh, ni Clementi ni Jadi Clementi ada dua.
Okay, any more takers for the kuih? Ayam pecik, any more?
Nampak dia? Dia sebelah nasi
Tu je. Donation. Kuih any more? Nasi lemak left 6 more packets Lain semua nasi all sold out already. Mi tinggal laksa and mi siam. Ada apa?
Tapang mak.
Wah, hari ni live baru dah pukul 2 Banyak benda kita dah jual. Alhamdulillah. Fifi, sis, kalau I order for tomorrow boleh Boleh. Banyak pre-order tu pasal banyak habis dulu. But sometimes my parents will buat some surprise kuih gitu, or even surprise lauk or anything, then we will show on FB Live. But some, because they already order like dah banyak benda like nasi ambeng and all, then they don't want to tambah any more things. For tomorrow ada nasi ayam penyet Many are looking forward for the nasi ayam penyet. Nasi dia is nasi ayam Nasi dia kuning. For the nasi ayam penyet. Okay. For those who just join, can comment just join, then I will actually inform you on what items you want. Kak Lila tambah lagi $10 ayam pecik. Kan boleh Kak Lila? I tambahkan ayam pecik lagi $10 Thank you. Muhammad Fauzi Salim. Okay, I will tunjuk all the kuih for today. You ada nasi ambeng? Yes, Princess. Kita ada nasi ambeng, but all sold out already. Many already pre-order since Thursday night. They pre-order since Thursday night. So they actually clear all the nasi ambeng. They cannot cook any more batches already. Pasal dah tak cukup ingredients. That's the reason. Okay, banyak juga just join. So I will show all the kuih again, okay? Or can opt for sub-collection, which is at Tai Seng, or delivery, which is at Island Wide. Okay, you just PM my admin for full delivery address and contact number. She will actually tell you the delivery charges. InsyaAllah will be as affordable as possible lah. All deliveries is by car, it's not by motorbike. So whatever happens, rain or shine, your order will still be delivered before buka. Okay. So for this kuih, suji Arab and jongkong container is at $4 and jongkong daun is at $3.50. Jongkong daun dalam dia is putih for this one hijau. Two different types Ayam pecik, this is for sample purpose. Kita dah bawa keluar the stick. One piece is for $3, two piece for $5. Kak Leila tambah lagi $10 Kita tengah bakar tu kat dapur orang semua. So for kuih, we got lopes, 2 piece for $2.50. Tapo, 3 piece for $2. Lapis nyonya, 3 piece for $2. Lapis merah putih for 3 piece for $2. Jemput pisang, 3 piece for $2. Dada, 3 piece for $2. Salad lepat, 3 piece for $2. Talam ubi, 3 piece for $2. And kole-kole, 3 piece for $2. Kejap I think I got other kuih. I tunjuk kejap Yes, I found some. Kaswi, 3 piece for $2. And pulut panggang, 3 piece for $2. Okay, this is for the kuih. I tunjuk one by one dulu Sis, besok ada nasi ikan bawal penyet InsyaAllah. We are going to order the ikan fresh from supplier It's fresh ikan bawal. InsyaAllah ada. One set is at $8. One big fish it covers the whole styrofoam. Okay. If you want to request for small fish, macam some of my customers, because they want sweet manis kan gitu, you just inform us, we will order the small ones. Okay. If it's too small, we will give 2 piece. Besok tak ada nasi ambeng sis? Tak ada, only today. InsyaAllah we will do again next week. Next week we will do again. Okay. For nasi, we only left with nasi lemak. For noodles, we ada laksa, 1 kotak for $5, and mee siam, 1 kotak is for $5. Comes with the egg 1 full set. Then epok-epok sayur 3 piece for $3. And ayam pecik tadi dah tunjuk. Ayam pecik anytime you can order. Sharifah, you nak tambah satu kaswi dengan pulut panggang. Sorry tadi I tak tunjuk micro or packing lah. So those that ada extra baru I will tunjuk. Okay, kaswi satu and pulut panggang satu ya. Okay, Sharifah you dapat Okay, Muhammad Fauzi, you nak kaswi satu and lapis. Which one you want? Lapis merah putih or lapis nyonya? Ada lagi tak lopis? Yes, masih ada. Banyak. Lopis 2 piece for $2.50. Muhammad Amiruddin, berapa paket you nak? Kita ada banyak ni. Muhammad Fauzi Salim, lapis apa you nak? Naha Atika, ayam pecik and lopis ada lagi? Yes, both masih ada. Both masih ada. 1 piece of ayam pecik for $3, 2 piece for $5. Lopis 1 packet for $2.50. Okay, Muhammad Fauzi Salim, for delivery or self collect? You also got koli-koli korang? Koli-koli. I go there collect. Okay, boleh. Pay COD. Yes, boleh. Any makan? Muhammad Fauzi Salim. I nak lopis. Boleh Muhammad Amiruddin? Lopis I like with 8 more packets. 8 more packets of lopis. Anyone want to help me clear lopis? Jarang kalau live I manage to tunjuk lopis selalunya habis. Only left 1 or 2 packet aja. Okay, any more kuih you guys want to actually show? Address is, you can Google map us at Packet Je. Google map is at Tai Seng 1 Irving Place 01-21. Okay, it's next to Tai Seng MRT Exit A. Yes, nasi lemak ikan bilis masih ada. I have 6 more sets of nasi lemak. Naha Atika, you nak lopis 1 packet. Kakak, Sharifah faham? Itulah, dah tadi tunggu kakak dah tak busy. Okay, so this is for Naha Atika. Self collect or delivery please? Roti hotdog 1. Lagi 2 yang pecik hilang dapur. Okay, Naha self call. Okay, I nowhere. Okay, boleh Fauzi Salim can. Naha, you nak self collect or delivery? Naha, you nak tambah 1 suji Arab and putri salad Putri salad and suji Arab. Kan?
Pasal paper tak ada kat sini. Ha? Paper mana tak ada kat sini.
Tengok kotak dia, dia dah tulis nama. Delivery to Sengkang berapa? Naha Atika nak delivery to Sengkang berapa?
7.
Delivery to Sengkang 7. Please PM us your food delivery address and contact number. Naha Atika. Okay, any more? Adik, you tadi nak lopis. Lopis, epok-epok sayur Epok-epok sayur and lapis nyonya. Lopis. Lopis. Tak next nama tulisan. Nak baca apa yang dah tulis lopes, epok-epok sayur and lapis tuna. This is for adik. Nasi lemak ikan bilis for delivery, is it? And nasi lemak ikan bilis berapa set you nak? Lupa sekejap. Putri salad. Tengok dah berapa jauh. Anybody actually order putri salad earlier can recommend again for putri salad? And nak kuih yang brown ada biji. Apa atas tu? Itu kole-kole. Itu kole-kole, epok-epok sayur, yes. One set for nasi lemak ikan bilis, Kakak, satu kotak. Kotak kecil. Adik Esma Syalikin, you PM us your full delivery address and contact number, for delivery. PM my admin. Okay, Nahar PM. Okay, thank you. Fauzi self collect. Okay. Siapa yang order putri salad earlier? You nak kole-kole adik? Can. Who nak putri salad earlier on? I miss the comment for putri salad. Please comment again putri salad, please. Okay, I dah add in for you adik. Dan kuih masih ada korang. And also ayam percik is actually on the stick barbecue. One piece for $3, two piece for $5. Okay. Then for this one, suji Arab for $4, jongkong container for $4, and jongkong daun for $3.50. Okay. I also ada bakar pandan bijan 3 piece for $2. You can choose you nak side punya atau you want the center one Kalau you take the side, I will give you extra piece because it's smaller. Okay. Kuih muih masih ada lagi. Those who just join, please comment just join so that I can actually repeat order kuih lagi I also still have laksa for $5 and mee siam for $5. Epok-epok sayur 3 piece for $3. Lagi ada kuih apa? Yes, saya tunjuk adik. Ulut panggang 3 piece for $2. Kaswi 3 piece for $2. Kole-kole you dah tadi tengok Talam ubi 3 piece for $2. Salad lepat 3 piece for $2. Dada 3 piece for $2. Lapis merah putih 3 piece for $2. Lapis nyonya manis 3 piece for $2. And taco 3 piece for $2. And bakar pandan bijan 3 piece for $2. It's inside the box. If you nak, then we will pack. Mira, just join. Okay, boleh. Kuih tadi you dah nampak. I also masih ada suji Arab for $4. Jongkong daun for $4. Jongkong container for $4 and jongkong daun for $3.50. Ada ayam percik 1 piece for $3, 2 piece for $5. Putri salad pun masih ada 3 piece for $2 and bakar pandan bijan 3 piece for $2. Mee siam for $5, laksa for $5, epok sayur 3 piece for $3. Lopes 2 piece for $2.50. Adik, you nak tambah jongkong daun Boleh, can? Ada add for you jongkong daun. Okay, delivery how much and by when? Before buka by 6 o'clock. Okay, delivery you just comment over here where is your delivery area, then I will actually inform you for the delivery charges. Okay, kaswi untuk adik. Ada apa? Kaswi I dah add for you Oh, tadi baru order. Cuba tengok. Okay. Any more delivery to Choa Chu Kang? Choa Chu Kang Choa Chu Kang today 11 Only for today 11. Pasir Ris 8. Pasir Ris 8. Can deliver by today? Yes. All can be delivered by today. By 6 o'clock. Dia ada tambah apa tu? Okay. 2, 4, 7. Okay. If those who want to repeat kuih, you just comment repeat kuih. I will repeat for you, okay? Syafiqah Syafi'i, Choa Chu Kang delivery 11. Nicole, Pasir Ris delivery 8. Okay. Lopez 1 for Kak Lela. Okay, boleh Kak Lela. I added for you already. Wallet. Okay, done. Those who nak tengok kuih, repeat. Just comment repeat kuih. I will repeat for you. Nasi lemak, I still have 5 more sets of nasi lemak. You just read onto the description box on what items you want. All the chicken semua parts kita masih ada Noted, thank you. I will consolidate my order and let you know in a minute. Okay, boleh. You just comment here on apa items you want, Nicole. Then I will actually update you. You ada lapis warna. By right ada daily. Sold out already. For lapis warna. I only left with lapis nyonya manis and lapis merah putih. Okay. Nico, you comment here on the items that you nak My admin is very busy to arrange all the drivers. She's doing that. Okay. She's consolidating all the orders. All the items that you nak buy, you comment on this FB live. I will actually send all the orders to the kitchen. Those who nak I repeat kuih, please update. Masih ada jongkong daun and jongkong container Jongkong daun very rare that is still ada. Maybe because of the nasi ambeng today lah. Banyak tak beli the jongkong daun. Suji Arab for $4. Epok sayur aja left. All the other epok-epok sold out already. Daya, can repeat kuih I nak see. Okay, boleh Daya. Lopez 2 piece for $2.50. Dada 3 piece for $2. Bakar pandan bijan is in the box. It's fresh Banyak is actually finishing the kuih bakar bijan. 3 piece for $2. Bakar pandan bijan. Lapis nyonya 3 piece for $2. Lapis merah putih 3 piece for $2. Pulut panggang 3 piece for $2. Salad lepat 3 piece for $2. Talam ubi 3 piece for $2. kole 3 piece for $2. Putri salad is also in the box. New set baru keluar. 3 piece for $2. Taco 3 piece for $2. Okay, those are in the box yang diorang masih belum pack. The fresh one is kuih bakar pandan bijan, kole and putri salad. All those are fresh. Baru keluar dapur. Okay, Nicole, Lopez. Nicole Lopez. Dada bakar bijan. Bakar pandan bijan, putri salad, epok sayur, suji arab. Afiq tu selalu gitu.
Dia nak kuih tak?
Dia nak jemput dia. Kasih lah. Mana jemput?
Dah, nanti apa?
Yes. Okay, jemput pun dah sold out nak kasih Afiq. Jongkong daun. Jongkong daun. Suji Arab semua. Okey dah. Ayam pecik 2 Yang kuih semua satu set. Thanks sayang. Okay, boleh Nicole, I tuliskan all your item. You PM us your food delivery address and contact number boleh? Kak, lagi 2 pecik Ha? Solat. Tinggal 2 set dia. Okay, payment by PayNow. Yes, Syah Sazi. Yes. Sharifah, you nak tambah satu putri salad Sharifah abang. Okay, I dah tambah for you Salam, ada lauk apa? Today lauk all sold out already except for nasi lemak, only left with 2 sets. Jongkong daun is at $3.50, jongkong container $4, suji arab at $4, laksa at $5 and mee siam at $5. Okay, Canberra delivery what time? All is before by 6 PM. Paling lambat 6:30 for delivery. It's all for today I nak tengok kuih sis pasal I baru masuk live you. Boleh? I will tunjuk lagi. Waalaikumsalam. Jongkong daun berapa satu? Satu set is for $3.50. This one dalam dia putih Pada jongkong container is the hijau one. Two different types Repeat kuih. Daya Marshall. Okay. You nak dada, taco, lapis merah putih. Dada. Untuk dalam dada ready Daya. You also nak nasi lemak Those who just join, sabar sekejap Nasi lemak, you nak apa set Daya? Look at the description box. You can actually see what type of nasi lemak kita ada. Okay, all your items you dapat Just nasi lemak I nak tahu. Delivery to Choa Chu Kang only today 11 because we are from Tai Seng. It's via car delivery. Eddie. Pulut panggang and putri salad. Kakak dah stop ni. Kakak tengah range je. Yes, $11 to Choa Chu Kang. Punggol berapa? Ya, Punggol. Ya, Punggol berapa? Is it the same as Sengkang?
Yeah, about the same.
Okay, $7 for today Punggol. Punggol today 7. Kejap Eddie. Delivery Eddie? If yes, PM us your full delivery address and contact number. My admin will arrange all the delivery. Okay, your item dua-dua dapat Okay, Shazi, you nak Lopez 2. Nasi lemak for Daya, please update me for nasi lemak apa set you nak. Shazi also PM me both nasi lemak chicken wing. Okay, nasi lemak Solau.
Ada Ijan kan? Lain tak ada delivery kan? Ijan.
Those who just order, please PM my admin She will arrange all the delivery. Dah habis kan nasi lemak? Dah, ni 2 paket. Done. Okay, Shazi 2 Lopez, 2 jongkong daun, talam ubi 2. 30. Total 30. Okay, talam ubi 2 ikut saya dulu. Talam ubi only left this set aja, 1. Satu je for Shazi. You nak tambah anything else? Lapis merah putih. Masih ada ayam pecik? Yes. 1 piece for $3, 2 piece for $5. Woodlands delivery berapa? Today $10 Cik Cha Husin. Kuih apa ada lagi sis? Sekejap Lengkok Baru delivery how much? Lengkok Baru I tak sure for the delivery charge. You PM I mean your whole delivery address. She will give you the quotation. Short while will be below 10 Okay, I tunjuk kuih balik again. I still got fresh batch baru keluar, which is the kole-kole, 3 piece for $2, putri salad 3 piece for $2, and bakar pandan bijan 3 piece for $2. That's the fresh batch yang baru keluar dapur. Fresh batch Then those yang tengah packing by my crew is taco 3 piece for $2, salad lepat 3 piece for $2, pulut panggang 3 piece for $2, lapis merah putih 3 piece for $2, lapis nyonya manis 3 piece for $2, Lopez 2 piece for $2.50. Then suji Arab for $4, jongkong container hijau color for $4, jongkong daun putih 1 for $3.50. And ayam pecik 1 piece for $3, 2 piece for $5. Okay, tambah ayam pecik 2. Okay, Can? Boleh? I dah PM. Boleh? Can? Epok sayur 3 piece for $3, laksa for $5, mee siam for $5. Eddie, You nak tambah lapis merah putih and lopis. Nak one set. Lapis merah putih still got fresh patch fresh. Okay, those who just join, please just comment over here, just join. I will repeat all the kuih and all the barang yang masih ada Eddie, I dah letak one side for all your items all you dapat. I will PM your admin sekarang. Okay, thank you so much for all your help to PM admin sekarang while during live, because without your PM I scared later late delivery. During live please PM. Okay, insyaAllah will reach by 6 o'clock. Paling teruk pun 6:30. Okay. Any more items that you all interested, please PM. And any items that you nak buy, please PM. I also got bakar pandan bijan fresh batch baru keluar dapur. 3 piece for $2. Putri salad and kole-kole. And lapis merah putih. 1 new batch also. Baru keluar dapur. Because today, yesterday baru we take off lah, so we cook extra kuih. Okay. Even the ayam pecik is still smoking in the kitchen korang. Still smoking in the kitchen. Any more interested for all the food? Masih ada. Nasi all sold out already. Only left the mee, laksa and mee siam. Ada putri salad? Yes. Ada. Putri salad 3 piece for $2. Fresh batch. We will pack for you. You nak daya?
Boleh lah.
Cukang.
You order kan?
Kertas sampai dah tak ada dah. Okay, I still got time for live Masih boleh PM to order. I still got another 5 to 10 minutes more. Anyone that just join, please comment just join. Nak tengok kuih. Okay. Thank you everyone for all your support for today, especially all the new customers. Anything you all nak tahu about our business or anything? Before we have this live every year we always buka kedai kat Masjid Sultan during bulan puasa. We are just a very small family business lah before all this live. Even dulu last year, our FB light was only 300 during Masjid Sultan Bazaar. We only got 300. Ada apa lagi? Oh, tadi I tak tunjuk you pulut panggang kole-kole. Kalau you tak perasan tadi, kole-kole and pulut panggang. Oh, the others is the same lah. Nurul Huda, sempat you join lagi Kat ni ayam pecik ada orang tambah lagi. Yang ni new order, I dah belum lagi pack. That's why dah tulis segitu biar tak confusing. Okay, last year was only 300 likes Mau tahu next year dah 5,000. Tak tahu how to viralkan kita punya FB. But we are happy lah for our family business, that from last year 300 now hit to 1.3 already because of FB live. Tadi kole-kole I dah ambil kan? Nurul Huda dah ambil kole-kole. Kejap my packer will check for you. Okay? Tak ada. You tak ambil kole-kole tadi. Ni ada batch baru, fresh baru keluar. You nak? Baru keluar dapur. Tadi around 2 o'clock. New batch. You nak Nurul Huda? Koleh-koleh? Then even our family member yang banyak kerja full time at other places also join our family business to run this business lah. Bingka ubi sold out already. Okay, you add on. Thank you. Nurul Huda tambah koleh-koleh. One packet. Okay, thank you Nurul Huda. Nurul Huda nak tanya, you kena know Syafawati tak? Tak tahu. Nak tengok muka dia?
Tak payah.
She say she kenal you, you know. Any more items that you all nak tengok? All the others is still the same lah from earlier first live I tunjuk. The only difference ada pulut panggang. Those who just join, please comment just join Amin. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Lagi-lagi during this COVID. First we were actually hopeless lah. Lagi-lagi we are at commercial area. There is nobody over here. Even my neighbours kiri kanan pun tutup. Bukan tutup lah, jual. Even worse than us. Jual. Then my other neighbours yang ujung lagi dah tak tahu apa buat lah. Hopeless lah. We started with the idea of FB Live to do deliveries. Siti just join. You nak tengok kuih? Mi? Ayam pecik? Location kedai kita is at Tai Seng. Tai Seng MRT exit A. Just beside Tai Seng MRT exit A on the right. Kalau tak, you can opt for delivery Still can actually input for delivery. Okay. Today banyak benda pun dah sold out lah. But masih ada kuih Kuih hari ni ada lopes 2 piece for $2.50, koleh-koleh 3 piece for $2. Lapis nyonya jongkong mana? Ada. Yes. Those who PM my admin, please try to PM on the FB Live Sis, air katira ada jual tak? Ada. Sold out. That's why I tak tunjuk. Sold out. Ada jongkong. Yes, ada. So we got two types of jongkong The hijau one is jongkong container for $4 and jongkong daun is putih punya $3.50. Two types We got two types of jongkong. Okay, and suji Arab. We also got the badak berendam and somsom but sold out already for those. Very rare these two masih ada Selalunya these two yang habis dulu. And badak berendam. Hari-hari kita makan suji Arab. Tak nak buang-buang makan kan. Then kuih masih ada pulut panggang 3 piece for $2. Lepat salad lepat 3 piece for $2. Putri salad fresh batch 3 piece for $2. Bakar pandan bijan 3 piece for $2. Lapis merah putih 3 piece for $2. And taco 3 piece for $2. Bella, hi Bella. Baru join. You nak beli kuih tak untuk hari ni? Hari ni I only tinggal mi je. Nasi all sold out. Mi ada mi siam and laksa for $5 each. Epok-epok sayur big piece 3 piece for $3. Balance kuih suji Arab for $4. Jongkong container $4. Jongkong daun $3.50. Lopes 2 piece for $2.50. Lain semua $2 koleh-koleh 3 pieces 1 packet. Lapis merah putih 3 pieces. Lapis nyonya manis 3 pieces. Pulut panggang 3 pieces. Putri salad 3 pieces. Bakar pandan bijan 3 pieces. Taco 3 pieces. And salad lepat 3 pieces. Tak, besok tak jual ayam pecik. My husband hari ni tolong barbecue kan. Besok he busy doing other things. Tu kuih cornflakes sis. Yes. Ada. Kuih cornflake yang kat atas tu is salted egg cornflakes for $15, while the one that is in the big container is honey cornflakes. One big bottle for 25. The small bottle ada, but is in big yang colour pinknya. It's not in the small cup, it's in the big cup for $12. I nak jongkong. You nak jongkong mana? Jongkong daun atau jongkong container? Lopez 5 pieces or 5 packet? Seri muka. Ayam pecik besok jual tak? Tak ada. Oh ni today je ayam pecik. My husband tolong barbecue kan. Tomorrow you jual air katira tak? InsyaAllah adalah air katira untuk besok. Actually everyday kita buat. Just like whether it sold out before live or sold out during live. Ayam pecik 1 piece for $3, 2 piece for $5. Ayam semua marinate overnight. Boleh pre-order lah Daya Marshall kalau you nak. Yang $12 tu salted egg cornflakes. Yes. Yang that container. This one. Okay, I nak 2 piece. Okay, boleh Nurul Huda. Ayam pecik. Tengok kertas dia. Ni belum pack lagi.
Nanti last-last ni.
Last.
Boleh juga.
Yes. How much air katira for pre-order? One bottle is for $2.50. Kita ada original, corn and bandung. Those 3 flavor hari ni sold out. That's why tak tunjuk. Those who nak pre-order private PM Kalau tulis kat this live I cannot remember. Kedua. Ni ada satu. Jongkong daun left 2 Siapa yang tadi nak jongkong? Siti Eve K. You nak jongkong daun atau jongkong container? I left 2 more piece. You bilang nak 2 piece. And your Lopez. Oh apa? Udah kok. Siapa call that? Bila dia datang pintu depan cari kakak. Aduh? Tanya dia dulu ada apa? Any more items? Any more items that korang nak tengok? Mi masih ada laksa and mi siam and epok-epok sayur. Then for Siti jongkong, how? Your jongkong is just hanging there. Normal cornflakes ada tak sis? Ada yang the honey cornflakes kan? Honey cornflakes yang that big container 25. Big container 25. Honey cornflakes. The current in stock lah. Even my cookies pun tak sempat buat. InsyaAllah will buat lah when my crew not busy. Kuih makmur pun ada in stock one bottle kat belakang tu. Those are in stock. We are also planning if third week of Ramadan, if If third week of Ramadan we manage to find the daun, kita akan jual ketupat yang dah masaknya. Many actually buy ketupat yang dah masak. We always do that every year. One piece is at 80 cents. But we will confirm with supplier if we can actually find the daun. Okay? Every year for ketupat, we usually sell more than 5,000 pieces. Those who nak join, please join Besok kita plan nak buat pulut kuning dengan beef rendang. Esok ada banyak menu lain juga because it's weekend. Ada banyak menu lain Anything else that korang nak tengok, or else I can end the FB live. Going to be 3 ready. Okay, thank you for those who joined during our start of live to the end For today's order, insyaAllah we will give you extra 1 packet of kuih to try, especially those yang dapat yang fresh batch. Okay, yang ada extra kuih, we won't write into the punya receipt it will just be inside there. Tomorrow you live what time? InsyaAllah by 1:30 I will start my live. Paling teruk 2 o'clock. Pre-order for I Katira can private PM us. My admin will actually write down all your orders. Okay, so now kita dah nak tu send all your payment advice. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone for today. Thank you for supporting us. All the nasi all sold out already. Tinggal only kuih for today. Thank you.